Can I use baking powder instead of baking soda bicarbonate of soda?
Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into a common question in the baking world. Can you use baking powder in place of baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda? We'll look at the differences between these two ingredients and figure out when and how they can be substituted for one another. Let's dive in.
What is baking soda, bicarbonate of soda?
Baking soda, or bicarbonate of soda, is a base mineral that, when combined with something acidic, produces carbon dioxide. This reaction is what gives our baked goods that lovely, fluffy rise. Baking soda is quite strong, with 1/4 teaspoon being able to neutralize a whole cup of vinegar.
What is baking powder?
Moving on to baking powder, it's a mixture that typically contains baking soda, an acid like cream of tartar, and a moisture absorber like cornstarch. It's basically a pre-packaged version of the baking soda acid reaction we mentioned earlier. It contains both the acid and base, so it only needs a liquid to start the reaction for rising.
Can I substitute one for the other?
Now, the crucial question: can I substitute baking powder for baking soda? Well, it's not a straightforward yes or no. Here's why. If you have baking soda but no baking powder, you can substitute by making your own baking powder. For each teaspoon of baking powder, mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. However, if your recipe doesn't include an acid, like vinegar or lemon juice, the baking soda alone will not be enough to leaven the dough. If you have baking powder but no baking soda, you can use baking powder instead of baking soda, but you will need to use much more baking powder, about 3 times as much, to achieve the same leavening effect because baking powder is much less potent than baking soda. Note that this might alter the final taste of your baked goods, as baking powder often has a slightly bitter taste. In conclusion, while it's possible to substitute baking powder for baking soda, and vice versa, it's best to use the ingredient your recipe specifically calls for whenever possible. Baking is a science, and each ingredient plays a specific role. Happy baking, everyone! We hope this video has cleared up some of your baking questions and makes your time in the kitchen even more enjoyable.